Hello everyone and welcome back to DYD Auto. Today we're jumping into the high-performance world of the 2026 Mini Countryman JCW, a bold small SUV that promises both everyday usability and serious driving thrills. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll look at what makes this model special, what's changed, how it performs, and if it lives up to its John Cooper Works name. Let's begin with an overview. The Countryman JCW sits at the top of the Mini lineup for the Countryman family. It blends the compact SUV format with a turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive AL4, and sporty chassis tuning to deliver more than just practical transport. It's meant to be fun too. What's new for the 2026 model? Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, producing around 312 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. That helps the Countryman JCW hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.2 seconds. Impressive for a vehicle of this size. Now let's talk pricing and positioning. In the US, the starting MSRP for the 2026 Countryman JCW is around US $49225, rising toward US $51000 for higher trims. That places it as an accessible entry into compact performance SUVs with the Mini badge and JCW credentials. Performance and driving dynamics. With its all-4 system, sport-tuned suspension, paddle shifters, and aggressive styling, the Countryman JCW delivers responsive handling and strong acceleration. The drive is intended to be taut, fun, and connected to Mini's go-kart spirit despite its SUV stance. Utility for every day. While performance is the headline, the Countryman JCW still offers 5 seats, usable cargo space, and the versatility of an SUV format. It may be compact compared to large crossovers, but for many it strikes a balance between fun drive and family-friendly form. Fuel economy and real-world running expect around 26 mpg combined according to EPA estimates for the JCW trim. While performance-oriented, the thinking is that you're paying for fun and performance, not maximum efficiency here. Inside the cabin, you'll find premium details, JCW sport seats with red stitching, sports steering wheel with paddle shifters, and high-contrast red accents throughout. The infotainment screen and digital display uphold Mini's stylish and tech-forward interior design. Connectivity and tech features are up to date. The model includes Mini OS 9 interface, optional head-up display, wireless device charging, and an array of driver assistance features. While the JCW keeps performance front and center, it doesn't skimp on modern tech. Like any car, the Countryman JCW comes with trade-offs. While the performance is strong, its ride is firmer than standard models and fuel economy is lower. Also, because it's still a compact SUV, cargo and rear space may not match larger rivals. But if your priority is driving engagement with some practicality, it hits the mark. In conclusion, the 2026 Mini Countryman JCW is a rare beast, combining Mini's signature fun driving feel with realistic SUV practicality and premium styling. If you're looking for a compact performance SUV that stands out and delivers, this is one to keep in mind. Thanks for watching DYD Auto. If you enjoyed this review, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on the Countryman JCW. See you in the next video.